Are you bothering how to make the bellow with variable height and pitch? Let's find out here. Two significant functions are configured with FUGE automatic bellow forming machine. The first one is to form different convolution height. In production, bellows with different height are very common. If to change them one by one during forming is inaccurate and slow. With the new function, you can set different convolution height on the control cabinet, and the machine will execute the order and form different height on one bellow. Same to the pitch. The other new function is to form different pitch automatically. When you have more requirement about the pitch, you can send the order to the PLC by setting different pitch on the control system. It receives your order and finds the correct position automatically. In case of any wrong location, destroying the bellow. The machine is configured with our unique control system, making sure the bellow process to be accurate as to guarantee a smooth and economic production. The smarter the equipment is, the less trouble you will face during operation. FUGE strives for more functions to solve customers' production lot in the premier of controllable cost and more stable performance. Welcome to reach out and explore more technology and skills.